Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Brian. If you're new, I do luxury and perfume related videos. I'm back today with a reveal unboxing of a couple of things that I received recently. If you'd like to see what that is, just stick around. So the first thing that I'll share is a new bag that I received, and it's from Balenciaga. I have been wanting a black bag, and I was going between this one and the Prada men's nylon version of the women's 2005 re-edition bag with the little pouch on the strap. But I just figured that an entire leather bag would be a better purchase than a nylon bag at this point. So I'll show you what I got. So I purchased the Ville camera bag in the small size, and this is the men's bag. There is a women's version of this, but the men's has a top handle, and it says Balenciaga on the front. This is a pebbled calfskin. It's a really beautiful bag. There is a pocket on the back, right here, and then there is a really small, narrow pocket on the inside that says Balenciaga that you can fit maybe credit cards in. I really like this bag. So it's about 9 inches in length and about 6.5 inches in height, and then about 2 inches in depth. Now I ordered an organizer for this bag because I don't want to damage the bag. So if you're interested in this bag, you have to realize that the actual bottom of the bag starts about right here. The actual flat base of the bag, and it's about 7.5 inches. So yeah, I really think it's a nice bag to kind of go from dressed up or casual. And it also came with the shoulder strap, but I ordered another strap online because this one is nice, but it's a little narrow and it only comes to my waist at the longest setting, and I like my bags to sit below my waist, and I'm 6'2", but this would still be a really nice length if I had to keep it. So that is the first thing, and then the second thing that I picked up was an SLG from Hermes. Came in this box here. Go ahead and show you what I got. I think you know what this is. So I got a Rodeo, and I am not a bag charm person, but I think these are beautiful. I have the Mini Evelyn, so I wanted to get a Rodeo for it, and I got this one. This is the PM size, and it is in black, blue sapphire, and gold. I either wanted this one or an all black one or an all blue one, so I had the opportunity to get this one, so I picked it up. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the things that I got. If you have any suggestions or recommendations on videos I should make, let me know that. Please comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and hope everybody's doing well, staying safe.